Hello everyone, for today's vlog again is all about Disneyland Hong Kong. So as of now we just got off from the MTR and we're going to Disneyland for today. Today is Sunday, so I hope it will not rain, although the weather is as of the moment it's very cloudy as you can see, but I hope it wouldn't rain. So today is Sunday, that's why it's many people are coming here in Disneyland because it's family day, and I hope it will not be super crowded later. So how to go to Disneyland? Just take the Tung Chung MTR and get off Sunny Bay, and then from Sunny Bay you can see the MTR coming here in Disney. It goes to Disneyland Resort line MTR. That's it. So this is the entrance of Hong Kong Disneyland. It's very grand, guys. So if you were able to visit Hong Kong, then you must come here in Disneyland because it's one of the tourist spots here you must visit when you visit Hong Kong, because it completes the journey or it completes the tour. So guys, here are my mga kasama, mga bestie na kasama kong pupunta, of course, ng Disneyland to enjoy that tour. That's it. So naka-red kami para vibrant yung colors, guys. So tara, pasukin natin. So as yun nakikita nyo, ang dami-dami mga Pinay dito, guys. May mga nagtatrabaho din mga musicians dito sa Disneyland. May mga crew din. So ito yung may nag-birthday, so we are celebrating. Thank you for the sponsor, AMP Go Green. Ito yung pinaka-leader namin. So sila may kanya-kanyang identity, naka-green with the headband. Of course, then someone was gonna celebrate her birthday for today, so may mga cake kami and a little bit, I think, coffee and a little bit wine. So ito yung pinaka signage dito. Ito na, picture na to. Mamaya pa kami papasok, I guess, kasi marami kami makasama, parang group tour kasi to. So ito yung entrance, kumakanta to paggabi. So let's go, guys, samahan niyo ako. Tara. So this is the main gate. Ito na yung una magbubungaran nyo kapag Disneyland. Well, of course, ito yung signs ni Mickey Mouse. Ito yung pinaka-ano nila. Ang ganda, diba? Castle na castle. This one of Disneyland is the one world of Frozen on Earth. Ang kids, pang adult, and pang sa lahat naman gender, guys. So, basta maganda. Magiging bata kami ngayon. So, charan! This is it. Ito ang pinakauna mabungaran nyo. We have here the Winnie the Pooh. But of course, pupunta muna kami sa World of Frozen. Sasakay kami ng train sa lakad-lakad. Anyway, guys, pag pumunta kayo dito, just wear sneakers or rubber shoes, something like that. Sandals, wear comfortable shoes. Kasi puro lakad dito, guys. Maglalakad kayo buong lakad-lakad. May for mga bata, may mga stroller na nahihiram, but usually you need to lakad-lakad here para to enjoy the view, guys. Ito na, akyat hagdan tayo. Muscle na naman, ma-form. Pero ang ganda dito, guys, na majestic. Sabi nga nila, is one of the majestic resort dito sa Hong Kong. Kasi nga naman, ang ganda. Parang fallacious sa inside, and you can have all the rides. Anyway, all rides are included in the entrance fee. As of now, papasyalan mo lahat, masasakyan mo lahat as gusto mo. Pwede rin magdala, guys, ng food, but not too much food. Some snacks, only light snacks, and water you can bring inside. Pwede magbaon, guys. Wag lang yung sobra ng mga latag-latag, bawal. And they have canteen, of course, here. Kaso nga lang, medyo pricey yung mga pagkain, of course. So, ito, magte-train muna kami. Sasakay muna kami dito para mag-enjoy view at pumunta sa Frozen World. Welcome to the world of fantasy. As you can see, there are many castles. Ang gaganda, guys. It's really, if you have kids, then you must bring in here. They would really enjoy this Disneyland Fantasy World. Super, guys. Kahit mga adult kami nga nag-enjoy. Pinaka gusto ko dito, guys, is yung mga rides nila. They have also like Ocean Park, but this Disneyland is both, like, I can say both adult and both kids can enjoy this one. kasama ko guys, naka-queue kami, nakapila. Ang haba-haba papasok dito sa World of Frozen. And it's here, tada! Ang ganda, lights pa lang, ang ganda na. Parang siyang studio, basta we're going to enjoy this of course. Copyright yung actual na music nito, that's why I changed it to like this. But ang ganda sana kasi maganda yung music nila guys, may mga narrations din, mga nagsasalita kasi naka-copyright kayo siya, so I replaced the music para hindi siya boring. Pero best ang ganda dito, like masarap pag may mga bata kayo. Wow, naging bata kami yan. Tapos naka-ride kami na siya para siyang bangka-bangka.